Yeah. Last class we were trying to understand how C and C++ programming language, why C and C++ programming languages platform dependent, right? C and C++ programming languages are platform dependent because, uh, because, come on, answer, because the program is compiled targeting to one operating system, compiled targeting to one operating system. So, compiled code contains machine language of current OS whose format is not understandable to another OS. Chappali. Okay, you didn't study yesterday? Like in college, only attending classes? Not studying daily? Not remembering daily? Yesterday notes, you have to study, remember? Not studied. No. Then why you are not saying? Why you are silent? Come on, try. Everyone should answer. Daily class content you have to remember and come to next class. Otherwise, next classes will be difficult. It's not Telugu, Hindi kind of lessons. Java is not a lessons. Java is a chapter. Java has chapters. Java doesn't have lessons. What is the difference between lessons and chapters? What is the difference between lessons and chapters? Lesson means started, moral of the story completed. There is no link from previous topic to next topic. But in chapters, we have link. Previous topic is linking to next topic. Next topic is built from previous topic. In Telugu, Hindi, English, you have chapters or lessons. In maths, why? Why in maths we call chapters? Why in Telugu, Hindi, English, social science, we call them as lessons? Why? Because languages contains one lesson not linking to next lesson. But maths, one chapter is linking to next chapter. Previous chapter formulas will use in next chapter. Both chapters formulas will be used in third chapter. Java is also same. Yesterday class points will be used in the next class. If previous class, if you don't study, if you are forgetting everything, coming to the next class with empty mind, then you will fail lot of difficulty to learn Java. Clear? So change your mind at least from today night. When you are coming to next class, you have to remember what we discussed in last class. The words are very important. The sentence is very important. I will start. You have to join with me. Don't listen just like that. Okay? Come on. Why C and C++ are programming languages are platform dependent? Because in C and C++, program is compiled targeting to one OS. Hence, compiled code contains machine language of current OS whose format is understandable to only one OS. It's not whose format is not understandable to another OS. Hence, it cannot be executed by different OS. Java, C and C++ are platform dependent. This is what we discussed in yesterday class, and this is the diagram. Okay. How many of you joined in today class? Offline students, newly joined today, anybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Online students, any of you joined newly? Use chat window to reply. Use a chat window, don't use raise hand button. I can't see if you use a raise hand button. Use a chat window. Okay. Yeah. Today class is little depending on yesterday class. It's not fully little dependent. I will revise yesterday class and I will start new topic. People who join in today class, focus on first 2 to 3 minutes, very important. Then you can easily understand next concept. Okay. What we are trying to understand, Java is a platform independent programming language. We learn one word. What is that? What is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. So what is the meaning of platform independent? We are understand. What the meaning of platform independent? Java program compiled in one operating system can be executed under any operating system. We don't care about in which computer it is compiled, in which computer it is going to execute. We don't care. So that's why Java is called platform independent programming language. Also it is called what? Vara. Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. C and C++ programming languages can be called as Waka. Waka means write once, compile anywhere. You can compile anywhere, but Java program you can run anywhere. Yesterday architecture is what? Waka. Waka means what? Write once, compile either in Windows, compile in a Linux or compile in Mac. Okay. So C language is Waka, Java language is what? Vara. Now let's understand how Java achieved platform independency. Today class target is what? Understanding how Java achieved platform independency. Okay, done. Now, how Java achieved platform independency in straight answer single word by using JVM. Okay, but how by using JVM? We need to analyze it. How Java achieved platform independency by using JVM. Observe now. I am developing one Java program, same as yesterday, abc.java. Tell me, you develop this program in machine understandable language or in human understandable? Human understandable, high level language, English like characters, mathematical operators and mathematical values you have used. How Java achieved platform independency? By using JVM. How by using JVM? We are analyzing. So first I develop abc.java. But is this abc.java file understandable to the human? Yes. But understandable to the machine? No. What should I do? We have to convert. We must convert it into human understandable, machine understandable. For that, what should I do now? I have to convert it into machine understandable. What is the software we use for conversion? Compiler. Like in C language, in Java language also I must use Chapali. You have to speak along with me by using compiler. Now first you develop source code. abc.java file is what? Source code. You develop source code in whose understandable way? Human understandable way. But this human understandable source code not understood to the machine for running. For that, what I have to do? I must give to compiler. Compiler generating now compiled code. Tell me, what is the extension of the compiled code in C language? abc.obj. In C language, abc.obj. Java language is class. It is not obj, it is what? Class. Sir, why class, sir? I will tell you now. Wait a minute. abc.class. Now, the compiled code is saved in abc.class file. Now, what is our target? I want to execute abc.class file in different operating systems. This is source code and this is what? Compiled code. I want to execute in different operating system. Where I am going to execute? First, I am taking Windows operating system computer. Into Windows operating system computer, I have to take that byte code. So what I should write here? abc.java, sorry, abc.class, take abc.class. Now tell me, who will run our Java program? By OS or by JVM? We will run the Java program by JVM. So we have to give abc.class to whom now? JVM. What JVM will do? Will JVM execute our bytecode directly? No. It will convert bytecode. Sorry, will convert the compiled code. Sorry, let me reveal the secret. Now the compiled code name is what? Bytecode. Converts bytecode into current OS machine language. Current OS machine language. Then further OS executes program. Further OS executes program. Now tell me what the story. First we develop source code given to compiler. Compiler will generate the compiled code. This compiled code contains what? Byte code. What it contains? Byte code. Sir, what is byte code, sir? It is not machine language code. What is a byte code? It is not machine language code. Byte code is a instruction set. It has some instructions. Those instructions to the OS or instruction to the JVM? JVM. A byte code is a intermediate language code that contains set of instructions to give the to instruct the JVM to perform one operation. So what we did? Compiler generate the byte code, and now we want to run that program. We want to run the program in Windows operating system. For that, we taken that abc.class file to here and given to whom now? JVM, and JVM will convert that bytecode into current OS machine language, and current OS machine language, OS after converting execute that machine language and produce the output. Can I expect everyone understand the flow of Java? Any difference from C style to Java style? Can you notice? What are the differences you can see from C to Java? Tell me, what is the difference from C to Java? In a C language, compiler there. In C language, compiler generate machine language. In Java, it generate bytecode. Point number one. Difference number one. Difference number two. In a C language, we have linker. In Java, we have JVM. Difference number two. Difference number three. In C language, we have exe file that contains machine language and processor linking code. In Java, after execution, is JVM generating any extra file? What it is doing? It generate the machine language given to whom now? OS. OS executing that machine language and generate output. And then machine language is saved in the system or destroyed. There is no machine language code in Java. In Java, how many extension files are there? Only two extensions. What is that? Source code .java and compiled code .class. Machine language code, exe file code is available or not available? Not available. Okay, na? Right. Now tell me, can I execute same program in a different operating system? Can I take Linux operating system and execute it? For executing Linux operating system, is there any difference here? What we did in Windows, same thing we have to do in Linux also, na? Shall I copy paste the process? And then, now in place of Windows, what I am writing? Linux. Same abc.class. JVM. Converts the byte code to current OS, machine language. What the current OS? Linux. Okay. In place of current OS, can I write here Windows? In place of current OS, what the current OS? Linux. Okay, and OS executes program. Which OS? Windows executes program. Here Linux executes program. Now tell me, what are you doing? Are we taking different byte code or same byte code? Same byte code we downloaded. Okay, now tell me, same program, same compiled code, can I also execute it in another operating system, Mac OS? Yes. Now here Linux place what I'm writing? Mac. Or simply Mac. Here in Linux place. Ready to answer one important, interesting question? You are talking about in which OS you are running, but you didn't talk about in which OS you compile. Tell me, in which operating system you compile? Do we need to worry? No need to worry. Do we need to consider? No need to consider. No need to consider. It can be what? Any OS. Where you are running doesn't matter. What is matter? Only where you are, where you are compiling doesn't matter. Only what you have to worry about, where you are compiling. Everyone, samajh mein aaya? Look at this diagram and tell me, if you remember yesterday diagram, in yesterday diagram you have written one statement. What is that? In a C language, program is compiled targeting to one OS. Hence, the compiled code contains machine language of particular OS, whose format is not understandable to another OS. Hence, C and C++ program compiled in one OS cannot execute in another OS. C and C++ program become platform dependent. Now, look at this diagram. Can you say here, C and C++ program, Java program is compiled targeting to one OS or common to all operating systems? Common to all operating system. In the compile phase, bytecode is generated or not generated? Not generated. Now the bytecode is transferred to Windows. In Windows computer, machine language is generated at what time? At the time of compilation or at the time of execution? Come on. At the time of compilation or at the time of execution? Execution. This is what phase? Compilation. This is compilation phase. And this is compilation phase and execution phase. Tell me, in C and C++ languages, machine language is generated in which phase? Compilation phase. In Java language, machine language generated in compilation phase or execution phase? Execution phase. Why? The difference between C, C++ and Java, C and C++ machine language generated at compilation phase. In which OS it is compiling? Tell me, in which computer you compile? In the same computer you want to execute in C and C++? Yes, because C and C++ is what type of programming languages? Standalone. But Java is what type of programming language? Internet. Internet means in which computer you compile. Are you running in the same computer? No. You are downloading that program from that computer into another computer you want to run here. What is server computer operating system? Linux. What is the client computer operating system? Windows. If machine language is generated in the server computer at the time of compilation, it can be downloaded and executed in the client computer? No, because operating system is different. Tell me, what you have to do now? You must generate machine language for client system, for server operating system or client operating system? Client operating system. Client operating system information we will know at what time? At a compilation time or execution time? Execution time. So, what are the changes done in Java language compared to C, C++? In C and C++, program compiled targeting to one OS. In Java, program not targeting to any OS. Next, in C and C++, machine language is generated in compilation phase of the current operating system. Whereas in Java language, the machine language is generated at runtime targeting to client operating system in which the program has to execute. Understood? Then what are the changes done in the Java language? In Java language, program is not compiled into machine language, rather it is converted into bytecode, which is the intermediate language of all operating systems. Second, later the same bytecode is converted into machine language of targeted operating system in which we are running by using JVM. Third point, we have JVM for every operating system. Hence, the same compiled code can be translated and executed in every operating system. Because one-time compiled program able to execute in all operating system, we can say Java is a platform independent programming language. Now, keeping all aside, in a shortcut, I can say how Java achieved platform independency. Java achieved platform independency by moving machine language generation from compilation phase to execution phase by introducing new compiler software, bytecode and JVM. What are the three changes we got in Java? Three. Number one, new compiler. Is that compiler same as the old compiler? No. New compiler software. Next, bytecode and JVM. New compiler software is responsible converting source code into bytecode, which is not machine language, intermediate language of all operating system. Bytecode is the instruction set to JVM to run Java program. JVM is the translation software that convert bytecode into machine language of the current operating system in which we are running the program. So Java, for achieving platform independency in Java, compilation code is not a machine language code. Machine language code is generated at what time? Runtime. Runtime means what? At execution time. All people understand? If you generate machine language in the compilation time, then that will be platform dependent or independent? Dependent. Okay. If you move the machine language generation from compilation to execution phase, we are generating machine language for client OS in which it is download executing, we are going to run there. So how Java achieved platform independence with three changes. Okay. Only JVM, only with JVM can achieve platform independency? No. We have to move machine language generation from compilation to execution phase. For moving machine language generation from compilation to execution phase, two new concepts are generated. What the two new concept? Bytecode and JVM. Or if you want to avoid all this extra explanation, in simple words, you can say Java achieved platform independency by using bytecode and JVM. Bytecode is the compiled code which is intermediate language of all operating system. Later, JVM convert the bytecode into machine language of different operating systems and execute. We have JVM for every operating system. Hence, the compiled code will execute it in all operating systems. Is it clear? You want to write short answer or elaborated answer? Short answer? Write down. How Java achieved platform independency. Online students, everyone understood? Krishna Chaitanya, you asked me question, can you explain JVM architecture? Okay. You are just born baby, but you are asking me, can you please explain how my 100 years of life? How is it possible, man? You are just born baby, na? You are expecting in my 100th year, what happens, sir? Please explain. It's not possible, man. And even if I explain, you cannot bear. You cannot understand. So ask questions related to current topic. Yeah, write down notes, I will explain again. Already explained simple way. You want more simple way, write down notes. I will explain again. I explained really in simple way. That is only the simple way. Okay? Akshita, if you join late, first write, I will explain again. YouTube live students, did you understand? YouTube live classes are only for demo sessions. There it will run more 1 or 2 days. Sachin Rajput, join Advanced Java. In Advanced Java, that will be top. Completed up? Everyone complete a diagram here. You are writing very slow. Babu. Babu, Ray, Bujin. You are writing very slow. Why? Everyone almost finished diagram. You are still in first box only. Come on, write fast. You are writing letter by letter what? Read the entire box one time and write. Don't read word by word. Read one box one time and then write. Completed? Online students? Completed? Down right. We can also say, write, write down. Write down. I am saying one more sentence. I am dictating one more sentence. Write down. We can also say Java achieved platform independency. We can also say Java achieved platform independency by moving. We can also say Java achieved platform independency by moving machine language generation from compilation phase to execution phase by introducing new compiler software comma bytecode and JVM for running one minute. For generating, not running, sorry, strike off. For generating machine language for client OS in which we run Java program. Client OS in which we run Java program. Client OS in which we run Java program. I am repeating once again, please verify. Java achieved platform independency by moving machine language generation from compilation phase to execution phase by using new compiler software, bytecode and JVM for generating machine language for client software. Okay, for generating machine language for client operating system, client OS or client operating system. Full stop. Is it clear? Tell me. Here three words are there. What is the job of new compiler software? Converting source code into bytecode. What is bytecode? Bytecode is a set of instructions to the JVM for running Java program. What is JVM? JVM is a Java platform. It is responsible for running Java bytecode by converting into current OS machine language. Okay, write down these 3 points also down as a sub-bullet points you write. New compiler software is responsible. New compiler software is responsible for converting source code to bytecode. source code to byte code. Full stop. Next bullet point. The byte code is intermediate language. The byte code is an intermediate language. The byte code is an intermediate language common to all operating systems. Common to all operating systems, comma, it is the native language of JVM, comma, it is the native, N-A-T-I-V, native, not negative, native. It is the native language of JVM. Native language of JVM, comma, it is an instruction set, comma, it is an instruction set to the JVM, for running Java program. It is an instruction set for running Java program. For running Java program. Full stop. Next point. What is JVM? Next point. JVM. The JVM stands for. The JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. The JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, comma, it is a Java platform. It is a Java platform comma, responsible for, it is Java platform responsible for running Java bytecode, running Java bytecode by converting them into current OS machine language. Current OS machine language. Full stop. Which one you want to tell to interviewer? If interviewer ask a question, explain how Java achieved platform independency. Which part? First part, 3 lines you will say, na? This one you will say. Which one give answer to the interviewer? First one or second one? Second one. Then why did you write first one? First one, then why did you write second one? First one is entire world known answer. Interviewer known answer. Second one is the actual answer. Hey, understood? First one is the entire world known answer. Easy by hearting answer. What is that? In Java, program is compiled into bytecode. Further bytecode translated into machine language of current OS by JVM. We have JVM in all operating system. So the same compiled code executed in all operating system. Hence Java achieved platform independence. So simple. Actually, what is the root change compared to C2 Java to achieve platform independence? Why bytecode is introduced? Why JVM is introduced? What is the root cause? What is the reason for this? That analyzation answer is second one. What is the second one? Java achieved platform independency by moving machine language generation from compilation phase to execution phase. What is the target for achieving platform independency? Machine language generation place has to be changed. If we generate machine language in the compilation phase, now you are generating machine language for server computer that cannot be executed in client computer. As part of internet application, Java program should execute in server computer, client computer, client computer. That is what internet application. You download and execute in client system. So If machine language generated in the server computer, then the program cannot run in the client computer. That's why what James Gosling was thinking that day in 1995. Okay, what the problem of C and C++? C and C++ program is compiled into machine language of server that cannot go and run in the client. Then what to do? Move machine language from client to server. Oh my God, how can we move? Further, intermediate language is generated called bytecode, and later bytecode is translated into machine language code of that OS. So, in our childhood, we learn one word. What is that? Give respect. Enter your known answer so that he feels you know Java, and add the our own answer, James Gosling answer. Who is James Gosling? Right? Java creators, father of Java. Father of Java given one statement. What is that? This is the statement. Okay, right? And but our textbooks everywhere saying first statement. So first you give interviewer known answer and then go for elaborated explanation. Interviewer always give you sufficient time when you are giving proper sentences, proper answers you are giving. He is interested to listen to you. So then first you start with that. Yeah, compared to C and C++, in Java, program is not compiled targeting to any OS. In Java, program is compiled into bytecode, which is intermediate language. Later it is translated into machine language of current OS by JVM. We have JVM in all operating systems. Hence Java is achieved platform independency. Actually, what is it? Actually, to achieve platform independency, to run Java code in all operating systems, in Java, machine language generation moved from compilation phase to execution phase by using new compiler, bytecode and JVM. What is new compiler job? What is bytecode? What is JVM? All these 3 points you have to by heart remember and say. Everyone comfortable? Huh? Now my question. If you really understood this platform independency diagram, every point, show your talent. Instead of developing new programming language, can't we do the changes in the existing language C and C++? Why James Gosling has invented entire new language? Why they have not done the changes to C and C++? Sorry? Code compiler. Old compiler. Yeah, develop new compiler. What are the changes done to Java language to achieve platform independency? Why can't those changes done to the existing language C and C++? So that C and C++ become platform independent programming language. This is Java, no need to invent, no need to learn. Na? Think. Don't see my face when I ask question. Look at the screen, find the answer. Answer is not there on my face. See? Why can't create bytecode? That's a rule for C and C++. Rule and that was designed like that. Initially, C and C++ programming languages are designed to convert source code into machine language code. Then later on, we face the problem. Okay, after 5 years maybe or 10 years maybe, we have started facing the problem. The new era started in the software industry is what? Internet applications. So to achieve internet applications, we need a platform independency. C and C++ are not supporting. Then why they didn't do these changes in C and C++? Why new language invented? CNC will not front-end design. They will not provide any front-end design. HTML is not front-end design. Why they are meant for standalone application? Initially, they were designed as standalone application as internet era was not there. Later on, it came into market. They would have adopted it and changed it to according to internet. Now, why can't they change? Still, why they didn't change? Why they didn't add? Because these concepts are not there in C and C++. That's why they cannot develop internet. If they have added this bytecode, JVM added, they can support internet applications. Why they can't add this? Why they didn't add this? Try. Binary language, they can discard and go to bytecode, na? That's what Java did, right? Whatever changes did in Java, same changes can add to C and C++. Why they didn't add? Why they're platform dependent? Because machine language, because standalone application. We want new enhancement. What are the? Add that machine language, remove, add a bytecode and make it platform independent. Why they didn't made it as platform independent? Mama? Java. Which computer? Why? Internet is their access, na? Adinana. C and C++ initially developed as a standalone. For standalone application, they invented. By adding these changes, can C and C++ can support developing internet applications, na? That's what I'm saying. Why this design is introduced in Java? To support internet applications, right? That same changes can done to the C or C++ and made them as internet application. That's what my question. Okay, let me give one small example. Okay, na? You have bike. Bike has a two-wheeler or four-wheeler? Two-wheeler. Balance there or not there? Balance there or not there? Not there. When rain is going on, can I go without become better? No. Safety is there to my body? No. Then what I did, I was thinking, array, this is a two-wheeler, balancing is not there and safety is not there. So what I did, I have added to this bike, I have added right side more two-wheelers. Okay, na? And then moving the handle to the middle of the four-wheeler, four wheels middle, and then adding some shelter on top of these four-wheelers. Then it become bike or car. And you are reinventing a new vehicle or not? Hello? What is your target? Existing vehicle has a problem. To solve this problem of existing vehicle, what are you doing? Some extra structure you are adding. The moment you added extra structure, it become old language, completely new language. When completely new language, then in the market, I need old language and new language. I need bike and also car. Because car can go everywhere? No. With this shelter and everything, can it go anywhere? No. Further, what is required? I need two-wheeler. Also, I need what? Four-wheeler. In the process of converting this two-wheeler to four-wheeler, people has found that a completely new vehicle is manufactured. Then what they decided? Okay, don't touch old vehicle, let it be there. And now manufacture what? New vehicle. Understood? Is that same point applicable to C? What the old language C and C++ bike? It has only two wheels. Now what are you doing? Machine language generation moving from compilation to execution phase by adding new compiler, new bytecode, and then what? New JVM. That means what will happen? The complete program structure got changed or not? The style of development, style of compilation, style of execution, everything is changed. That means using C and C++, there are so many projects already developed in the past 10 years. Then suddenly new style of C language is introduced. Then all 10 years languages are got failed or not? Is it okay? Not okay. Whenever you are introducing any new features to the existing language, old program should not, old project should not get disturbed. Backward compatibility must be there. By adding these in all changes to the C and C++, what happened? A completely new language is coming into the picture. And next point, can James Gosling go and add all the changes to C and C++? No. Why? C developed by Dennis Ritchie. Can he go and ask, hello, Mr. Ritchie, actually I have this requirement, change your language, and he look at his face and ask, get out, don't go and develop your own language, don't touch my language. Tell me, your hostel room you take and rent, you are not liking that room. Can you bring one worker and entire room, can you change it? Hostel want to kick you out. He'll say that go and construct your own room outside. So finally, what did you understand here? Why these changes are not added to C and C++? Why altogether new language Java is invented? Because adding these changes to the C language will modify the entire structure of the program, and previously developed projects will get backward compatibility issues. Execution, compilation execution will be failed. That's why they didn't touch C and C++. Let C and C++ further serve the standalone application development, and altogether they had invented what? New language, Java. For a supporting internet application, not only C and C++ concepts, there are so many extra more libraries required. Servlet, JSP, networking, okay, database, JDBC. So many new technologies, new libraries should add. Entire these all are new. Then instead of adding all to the C language, James Costin decided to develop entire new language, release the market, and doing the business. All people got clarity? Huh? So tell me, whenever you are adding one new features to the existing language or project, should not disturb the previous developed project. This is called backward compatibility. Clear my point? This notes dictation not required. This much just remember enough. Okay. Right. So go back once again all the points. How Java achieved platform independency, or what is the Java program development, compilation and execution process? In short statements, in Java programming language, all source code is first written in plain text files ending with .java extension. What the meaning of plain text files? Human understandable language. Okay. Those source files are then compiled into .class files by the Java C compiler. Tell me, what is the compiler software name? Java C. In C language we have Turbo C, that C, this C, na? Right. So Java has only one compiler. The software name is what? Java C. Then a .class file doesn't contain code that is native to your processor, means machine language code or some linking code not available. It instead contains byte codes. What is byte code? The native language of Java virtual machine. The Java launcher tool then runs your application with an instance of Java virtual machine. Instance ante one separate memory architecture. Okay, instance means one existence. Java launcher tool then runs your application with an instance of Java virtual machine. Look at that, Java launcher, the Java launcher. What is the JVM software name? Java. Compiler software name is Java C. JVM software name is Java. So compiler will convert source code to byte code. JVM, Java command, will convert byte code to machine language code of the current OS and execute it. All the process is registered in your mind. Okay, this is a complete process of how to develop and compile. Do you like to write these points? Very important. Have patience. Write down. Take the heading and write down. Instance means one start. Tell me, for example, you take Notepad. Notepad is a software. When you double click on it, one window open. Again double click, another window open. One more time double click, another window is open. So Notepad is a software. To run the software, one window, second window, third window open. So this each window is technically called instance, one existence. So person, like this person, I am one person, you are another person. I am in the instance of the person, you are the instance of the person. Instance means one start. When you start the software one time, that one start is called what? One instance. Look at here. For example, this is a browser software already there. Now I double click on browser. Look at there, one instance of the browser started. Okay. Again, I am double clicking on it. What happened? Another instance is started. This is one instance and this is another instance. Two instances are started. So when you run Java command, what happened? One JVM started. If you run Java command second time, again JVM second time started. Again third time started, like that. Okay, right. Rishwing, Rishwing, Srivastav, super, wonderful answers you gave, excellent. Yeah, Rishwing gave the correct answer. What is that? If you add all these feature changes to the C language, it will become same as starting from zero. When starting from zero, why you need to add to the existing language? Let us develop new language. Superman, keep it up. Pratik, excellent. That statement is also correct. There are a lot of softwares developed in C and C++ before Java. If C++ made platform independent by adding all the changes, then we have to modify already developed softwares also. Backward compatibility issues will come. Superman, super. Narayan Birla, yes, soft copies also will be provided. Sachin, JVM is a process. If you are multiple processes are opening, then JVM will not be crash. OS will crash, na? OS becomes slow. There is no problem for JVM, problem for OS. Yeah. YouTube live attending students and online students, tomorrow onwards, there will not be any YouTube live. Class will run only in WebEx. In YouTube description, we have link to join the class WebEx. Use that link, register and join class tomorrow onwards directly in the WebEx if you want to continue demo classes. Completed? Huh? Okay. Now look at this. This is the diagram given by James Cosley. You develop mycomputer.java, a program called myprogram.java. Given to whom now? Compiler. Compiler crushing. You know, sugarcane machine. It will crush sugarcane to what? Juice. That juice is nothing but bytecode. The bytecode can go into any person throat. Any person throat is what? Operating system. Then Java virtual machine. Giving this bytecode to whom now? Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine is converting into machine language, zeros and ones. And then giving to whom now? Computer, operating system. Operating system displaying the message called what? My program. Understood the process? Right on this diagram. With this crushing machine, okay? Arif, in a YouTube live, can you share that WebEx class joining link? You're unable to find the link in the description. If completed, then I will ask a few questions to see whether you really understood or not. Ready? Yeah? Gopu Suresh, what is your question, man? If you are in YouTube live, I cannot be prompt. And you are online attending. When I ask you to ask the questions, I can reply. If you are, when I'm explaining time, if you ask questions, how can I reply? I will give answers to everyone when they are asking me, when I ask the post questions. When demo classes will end? Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last class for a demo. Everyone completed? Everyone ready for answering questions? I'm going to ask you around 15 questions. No, 15 questions. Ready? Around 15 questions I'll ask, show your talent. Whatever you learned in this diagram, same questions I'm asking. Online students, you also be active and reply. YouTube live students, you also be active and reply. I will watch you all your answers. Question number 1. Question number 1. What is slogan of Java? Java slogan. What is the Java slogan? Java slogan is Vara. Vara. Write once, run anywhere. Are you writing notes, sir? No notes. All people close notes. Everyone close notes. Okay. 6 years gap is there. Yeah, you can try with 3+ years of experience, latest 3 years, and previous 3 years you can claim as you are doing some other works. Okay. If you learn full stack Java, you can claim 3 years gap as experience and you can try job. First one, what completed? What is Java slogan? Second question. What is the role of compiler? Role of compiler? Convert source code to bytecode. That's all. Convert source code to bytecode. That's all. No. Saving in a dot class file. Saving in hard disk with a dot class extension. Look at the diagram and prepare answers. Okay. First question, what? What is the Java slogan? Second question is what? Compiler role. Compiler is responsible for take the source code, convert it to bytecode and save in a dot class file. Okay. Third point. What is the role of JVM? JVM role. What the JVM role? JVM is responsible for running bytecode. It takes the dot class file, read the bytecode, convert it into current OS machine language and executes. Excellent. Fourth question. How many extension files does Java have? Only two. What the two? Source file .java, compiled file .class. Okay, super. Fine. Why Java doesn't support exe file with machine language? Why Java doesn't support exe file with machine language code? Okay, first answer my question. Why you don't bring your suitcase to the class? Suitcase is there in hostel. Why you are not bringing the suitcase to the class? Why only notes and pen? Excellent. Not required. Right? Not required. Java doesn't require exe files. Why Java doesn't support exe files? Because not required to Java. Why not required? Tell me. Always in all computers, we are downloading this dot class file from the server to client and running now. Suppose after running, if the machine language code is saved in one exe file, second time if you want to run, what will you do? Again you download the bytecode from the server only, you never use this exe file. Na? So the exe file with machine language code saved in your computer is useless. We never use it. And second reason, exe file is platform dependent. Tell me, exe file of Windows can execute by the Linux? No. Can execute by Mac? No. Then exe file is what? Platform dependent. Third reason why exe files are not supported, it is not secured. Virus affects the exe file very easily. Tell me, now bytecode is a exe file or simply text file? Text file. It's a plain text file. Internal code will be simple commands. That is also text commands. So text files, any virus can corrupt the text files? No. Only exe files will be corrupted. So what the question? Why Java doesn't support exe file? Why Java doesn't save machine language file like in C language? Because because exe files are platform independent. Because exe files are platform dependent. Second, exe files are not safe, easily affected by virus. Third, it's useless because always the bytecode is downloaded from the internet. Is it clear? Then next, sixth question. Is a compiler platform dependent or platform independent? Platform? Tell me. This compiler is OS specific compiler or common to all OS? This is Java compiler, common to all operating systems. Tell me, this is JVM, this is JVM, this is JVM. Are all three JVMs are same or different? Same. Tell me, this is JVM should understand bytecode, generate what? Machine language of Windows. This is second JVM should take the bytecode, should generate machine language of whom? Deen output is different, this fellow output is different. He is a Tamil Nadu person, he is a Kannada person. But the translation language is what? Telugu. I went to Tamil Nadu. Then we need a translator who knows Telugu and Tamil. Then later for the business trip, I went to where now? Karnataka. In Karnataka, which language I speak? Telugu only. The Telugu person, I am speaking to a person who should convert to what? Kannada. Then tell me, this translator is same or different? Different, not same. Vale Babu dialogue, both are not same. They are looking like same, but both are not same. This JVM is whose JVM? Windows JVM. This fellow, Linux JVM. This fellow, Mac JVM. Are the three JVM same or different? Different. Now tell me, compiler, platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. Seventh question. Is JVM platform dependent or platform independent? Platform? Excellent, super, marvelous. Platform dependent. Because one OS JVM cannot use in another OS. Both are different JVMs. Is it clear? Now tell me, answer my question. Eighth question. What is Java software? Java software. What the meaning of Java software? Java software means it is a software. Come again. What is Java software? Java software is a software. Avuna? Okay. Software means a combination of components. Together some components. First, Java software is first what will be there? Compiler. What is the first one? Compiler. Plus, what is the second one? JVM. What the third one? Listen. If you want to develop Java program, if you want to communicate with the compiler and communicate with the JVM, background I need to use some predefined programs given by Java software. Na? The predefined programs are technically called API. What they call? API full form is Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface. To develop the program, we need some background programs. All the programs together. In C language, people call it as library. In Java, we call it as what? API. Okay. So tell me, what is Java software? A Java software is a combination of compiler plus JVM plus API. Wonderful. Now tell me, ninth question. Is Java software platform dependent or platform independent? Java software platform dependent or platform independent? It is depending on the components available. What the meaning of platform dependent, platform independent? The same Java software, can I install in Windows, Linux and Mac? Or we should have different Java softwares? That you have to conclude. Tell me, Java software compiler, platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent. JVM is platform dependent or independent? Platform dependent. API means what? Program. Array dot class file is called API, mama. Okay, now this Java file and dot class file called what? Library. Nothing but what? API. So tell me, program is a platform dependent or independent? Independent. Platform independent. Hence, Java software is platform dependent or independent? Dependent. Because JVM is platform dependent, Java software is become platform dependent. Then one student asked me super question. Sir, Java software is a platform dependent because JVM is a platform dependent, you said. Why not like this? Java software is a platform independent because of compiler and API and platform independent. More votes to the platform independent, na, sir. Mr. Narendra Modi is a PM because he got more votes than Rahul Gandhi. Yes or no? So, similarly here, JVM 1 vote to compiler JVM platform independent 2 votes, na, sir. So that's why Java software is platform independent. Okay, na? Now let me give another example. And the person has chosen wrong example. In your academics, you have 6 subjects. Out of that, 5 subjects you passed. 1 subject only you failed. What is your result? Hey, passed, no? Then when I asked this question, the student told, thank you, sir, understood. Okay. What is the point here? You should not consider votes point of view. What is the point? Can I use the same Java software install in both Windows, Linux and Mac? No. Because JVM is not allowed to install in all 3 operating systems just like that. Tell me now, how many Java softwares we have? 3. 1 for Windows, 1 for Linux, 1 for Mac. Understood? Tell me. Now, Windows Java software is compiler plus Windows JVM plus API. Linux Java software is what? Different compiler or same compiler? same previous compiler plus new JVM, Linux JVM plus same previous API. Understand? Tell me, what is the meaning of Java software for Mac OS? Same previous compiler plus same previous API plus but different JVM, Mac JVM. So tell me, Java software platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent because of JVM software. Excellent. The 10th question is very important question, confusion question. Java software is platform dependent. Java program is platform independent. Now, interview will ask one intelligent question. Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? What's your answer? Amma? Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? It is both. Is Java platform dependent or platform independent? It is both. How both? Look, Java means Java software and Java program. Two things you have to consider. Java software platform dependent. Java program platform independent. Both because of we have separate JVM. So Java program platform independent. One JVM cannot install in another JVM. So Java software is a platform dependent. Is it clear my point? So if interviewer asks a question, is Java platform dependent or independent? What answer you should give? Both. Okay, super. Next question I'm asking. Ready? Repeat once again all questions first and then go for next question. Question number 1. What is Java slogan? What is compiler role? Compile Java program by converting into bytecode and save in a new file .class extension. What is JVM role? Run a bytecode by converting into current OS machine language. After running, machine language is destroyed. Next, how many extension files we have in Java? .java and .class. Does Java supports exe file? No. Why Java doesn't support exe file? Because it is a platform independent, platform dependent, not safe, useless. Next, is a compiler platform dependent or independent? Platform independent, because same compiler will be used for all operating system because its input is Java, output is also Java. Next, is Java platform dependent? Sorry, is JVM platform dependent or independent? Platform dependent, because JVM input is Java but output is what? OS machine language specific to OS. Next, what is Java software? It's a combination of compiler plus JVM plus API. Is Java software platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent because of JVM. Is Java platform dependent or independent? Both. Software is dependent, program is independent. Next question, very important. If I install operating system, along with the operating system, is a JVM installed? Come on. If I install Windows, is JVM also installed? If I install Linux, is the JVM also installed? Is the JVM part of OS or part of Java software? Java software. If you want to run Java program, you must explicitly install what? JVM. Next question. Is JVM developed by Java designers or OS vendors? Who developed by JVM? Java designer or OS vendors? Ante Sun Microsystem or Microsoft company? Sun Microsystem. Why Microsoft company, Linux company and Mac company, Apple company develop JVM? Right? For running their operating system, is JVM required? No. So, what? JVM is developed by Java designers, not by OS vendors. Hence, when you want to run your Java program, you must install JVM explicitly. Up to now, understand? Next. Now, come on. Some people are losing the interest to listen. Babu, please feel you are in the interview room, Babu. Last two questions, okay? Last two questions. In this entire diagram, there are two people are there. Number one, developer. Number two, customer. Customer or client. There are two people are here. Tell me, what is the developer role? Developer role is develop the program, compile the program, and run the program to get output and test the software, right? Developer is responsible for develop, compile, and execute. Customer role is what? Customer is responsible for develop the program? No. Customer is responsible for compile the program? No. He is only responsible for execute. Execute and see whether functionalities are going on. Then last question, 15th question. Based on the developer and customer responsibilities, how many types of softwares we have? How many types of Java softwares we have? Look at here. If you want to develop, compile and execute, you need the entire software, compiler for compiling, JVM for executing. If you want to only run Java program, what is required? Just JVM and API sufficient or not? You want to run for running Java program, what is required? Compiler or JVM? JVM. JVM plus API sufficient. Based on the developer and compiler responsibilities, Java software is divided into two types. Number one, क्या है? JDK, and number two what? JRE. There are two Java softwares are available. What are the two Java softwares? JDK and JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It provides compiler, JVM and API. Hence, by using JDK software, we can develop new programs, compile and execute new programs and also existing programs. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It provides only JVM and API. Hence, by using JRE, we can only run already developed applications. Then tell me, in the developer computer, what should I install? JDK or JRE? In a developer computer, JDK or JRE? JDK. In a customer computer, JRE. Understood? Who are you? Customer or developer? Customer. Hey, are you customer? Are you the client? Are you giving a 1 crore rupee for developing any project? Namaskaram, Babu. You are not customer or client, you are the developer, Babu. Okay. As a developer, in your computer, what you must install? JDK. So finally, we have understood how Java achieved platform independency. Java achieved platform independency by not compiling program targeting to any OS. Hence, in Java, machine language generation is moved from compilation phase to execution phase for generating machine language and running the Java program in the client OS by introducing new compiler, bytecode and JVM. Okay. What are the important facts on? These are all the facts. What are the important facts on Java program and Java software? If you know these 15 points, then you can jump into Java development and you can dive under the water, enjoy the deep. All are you ready for it? Understood? Right. All these 15 points, tomorrow if you want, you can write notes, or if you want me to apply soft copy, I'll apply soft copy. Upload soft copy, later you can copy. Okay. So we have completed complete theory required to launch Java program. So to develop and compile and execute Java program, we need Java software, na? So the Java software we will install tomorrow. Download, install Java software, and we will start finding what are the different programming elements required for developing Java program. Then we will develop Hello World program, compile and execute, and everything will complete in tomorrow class. Is it clear? So are you getting confidence day by day? So today is the 4th day, right? First 2 days syllabus, now leave it. Actual Java started from Monday onwards, actually. Monday, Tuesday, today, Thursday, na? So 4 days completed. Are you able to see any difference in you Monday to today? Are you improving? Getting confidence that you can learn Java, okay, and you can develop the programs in future. Getting belief on me that I can make you software engineer? Believe yourself first, not me. You believe first that you can become software engineer. I can only help you to become software engineer. As a, listen, gym trainer, I can tell you how to lift the weights to get the six pack. As a gym trainer, I will not do the exercise. You have to do. You want to get six pack, not I. Understand? Already I have six pack in my brain. Java six pack. Now you taken the admission to this course to get Java six pack in your brain. So we have to work. You have to work. So tomorrow, shall I ask questions on this diagram? Will you again listen like today or will you respond? Respond. You have to by heart and come. Tomorrow I'll start asking question. How Java achieved platform independency? Don't put the face. How do I know? Okay. You must tell. Yeah, Java achieved platform independence is simple by moving machine language generation from compilation phase to execution phase. For generating machine language to the client OS and executing client OS. For achieving platform independence, they introduce three concepts slowly. That free flow, the words and sentences free flow should come. Okay. Thank you so much. Good night. That's all for today class. If you don't have any questions, you can leave. If you have any questions, stay and ask the questions. Online students, if you have any questions, ask. YouTube live students, if you have any questions, ask in your chat window. Akshita, can you please repost your question? Rajita, the notes link will be provided to the paid students. Did you already completed payment? What is API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, I will tell to the admin to add the paid students to the Google Classroom. Okay. Open Naresh IT YouTube channel. There already last 4 classes streamed videos are there. Okay, you can get from there. After advanced Java completed, we will conduct one pre-screening test exam. If you pass, then placement, you will get the placement. Not compulsory. You have to perform. Then only placement will be there. We will show you only interviews. That's what I'm telling. Not confirmed. I will show you interview. You have to write screening test exam. You have to pass. Then we will show you interview. You have to go and perform. If you perform, you will get the job. We don't issue. We don't guarantee. We will assure. Placement assurance will give. Placement awareness we will give. Placement assistance we will give. Assistance we will give. Will not assure or will not guarantee. So we will show the path. You have to walk. Okay, na? Huh? Java is a command. When you run this command, JVM software is started and run your application. తెలియదు కదా నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అర్థమైంది అదే ప్రాక్టికల్ కదా అవునా ఎలా రన్ చేస్తున్నది ఏంటిది ప్రాక్టికల్ అని చెప్పానా ఆ పాయింట్లు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటి 3 పాయింట్లు ఒకటి .java.class 2 కంపైలర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ JavaC JVM సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ జావా అంతే అంత మాత్రం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి దాన్ని డీప్గా ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేస్తే కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ వస్తాయి ఓకే C is the basic language for learning. C ఎక్కడ లేదు అసలు నీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కూడా Cలో ఉండవు చాలా రేర్ less openness. Nagaraj, tomorrow I'll explain your question. Akshita, in YouTube, open YouTube, search Naresh IT and last 4 classes Streamed live videos are there. You can go and watch. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Krishna Chaitanya, your question answer will be given in tomorrow class. Narayan Birla, you learn how to ride a bike. Then riding bike is easy or tougher? It is in your hand. Okay. It's all your mindset. Krishna Chaitanya, you are always asking questions, out of discussion, man. I don't know why. You have that much confusions. Unanswerable questions you will ask always. Why? Why those many illogical questions you have in your brain, man? Okay, Pridarshini, I will tell to the admin today to add to the Google Classroom. Okay? You are not understanding subject. Out of discussions, you are asking questions. Focus on current discussion. If you are like that, you will face so many difficulties in the coming classes. You are asking all illogical questions. That's why I'm ignoring your questions. Some questions even not framing properly. Akshita, it's your wish. Laptop or phone both are allowed. But if you attend from the laptop, you can have more focus and you can interact with me in the chat window. Krishna Chaitanya, hold your questions and try to think your questions yourself. You will get answers. Do like that. Developers, JDK, Microsoft, client to JRE, we do normal persons. What is that question, sir? Actually, what you want to ask? The question you sent is, sir, developers, JDK, Microsoft, client, JRE, we do normal program persons. What is the meaning of it? What I should understand? What should I ask? Prepare questions in my understandable way, man. Jane, I will explain again tomorrow. Don't worry. Today given notes, read. Mac full form, Rajita. Search in Google. You have Google now. Your online students, Google is there. Search in Google, Mac full form. Kiran, Java doesn't require C, C++. All are different languages. You can learn Java directly. Okay, guys, that's all for today class. See you all tomorrow. Good night. Yeah, Jane, it's already there, recorded session on the YouTube, nareshit.com. I mean, NareshIT website. Sorry. NareshIT YouTube channel. Open YouTube and search for NareshIT. You will get this recorded video.